In this practice session, we're taking Supta Padangusthasana lateral, taking the foot out to the side. And we're going to use a slightly different position of the belt around the foot, which is going to give us a really nice broadness to the foot, to the base. For menstruation, pregnancy, if there's tightness in the legs and the hips, I recommend utilizing a bolster that can just be placed off to the side. I have some support for the head, so not necessary, but if you feel like the chin is flying up towards the ceiling and the neck is compressing, it's nice to have some support for the neck and the head. Also, the short edge of the mat is at the wall so that we can take our feet into the wall. So with bent knees, come down to lay on your spine. Just keep the legs straight and adjust the head support so it's underneath the neck and the head. If you're utilizing a bolster, just place it so it's touching the outer hip. Okay, and now comes the tricky part with the belt. So the belt is going to come around the outer ankle, and then you feed the belt in the inner foot and around the other side. So now it's on the outer foot. So I'll just repeat that. So the belt comes around the outer ankle, and then you feed the belt through the inner arch of the foot and take it out the outside of the foot. And try and get all of your belt folds so that they are clean. Okay, then you're going to hold your belt in your right hand. You can see I'm wrapping the belt around the hand, and we'll go for a straight arm so you can hold as close to the foot as possible, and then press your left heel into the wall and press your left thigh down. Then start to press your right heel up towards the ceiling. Squeeze this outer right hip in. Take your left hand, just place it in line with your left shoulder, palm up. And then inhale on the exhalation, start to take the leg over to the right. Now squeeze the outer right hip in as you press the left thigh down so that the pelvis stays level. And then have a look at the foot. Notice how broad this strap position helps to keep your foot. You can spread your toe mounds. The outer edge of your foot will be parallel to the floor. And also feel the extension that's coming in the inner leg and the injection that's coming into the outer leg with the help of the belt. You can hold for 30 seconds or so, and then on the inhalation, take the leg up, bring the foot towards you, and then bend the knee, release, and repeat on the other side. Let us know if you have any questions, and happy practicing.